Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go to the ruins of St. Paul here in Macau. There are so many people here all going to head to this ruins of St. Paul Macau here. It was a church that was built in 1604 somewhere there, so it's around 400 years ago. In a while I'm going to show you the pop mart that is located here at the in Macau here, so if you're interested in pop mart you can check it out. This is what the pop mart here looks like, and one of the thing is that it's very crowded, so while I was here I had to squeeze through to take photos and check out the places here and the blind boxes. So many people shopping here. Here we have some Hironos, if you're a Hirono fan. Some other blind box IP here. Second floor here. Haji Pupu and Labubus, if you love Labubus. This is what the Macau dollar looks like. Continue and find the ruins of St. Paul. One of the most challenging part of heading to the ruins is that you have to walk and pass through lots and lots of people. So if you're here, do hang on tight and make sure just follow the wave. It's quite crowded. It is slowly getting more crowded as you are near the ruins of St. Paul. I wanted to check out some of the shops, but it got quite crowded to some extent that I did not check out those shops. It is starting to get very crowded, especially from this area here, as it bottlenecks somewhere because there is no other pathways to pass through, as you can see. So you have to just go along this particular path, and it gets more crowded in some of the narrow pathways. Here it is getting very tight, especially as you walk. Not much gaps to pass through at some of the areas, so when you're here just be careful.
而家啲成科就不能。
This particular area gets quite crowded, and you find it tough to walk, and it takes a long time to walk along this particular path because we are quite near that St. Paul ruins area. If you're going to the ruins of St. Paul, this is what you have to be prepared for.
啊，没有得跑。这的有一个地方要 take right。
你往前挤，反正我在放。
什么？这个？
反正我行呢，你睇到人啲行到咁行嘅。
take it right, take it right。
誒，呢個係
有点 right。
After what seems like eternity, I am still here, stuck somewhere in the middle, and there's no turning back at this point of time. I recorded most of this path to St. Paul because I never knew that it could get so super crowded. Just to let you know what it looks like if you're prepared to come here, especially to visit the ruins of St. Paul, which is quite famous. So everyone's going to head there. There's also a museum behind the ruins.
埋嚟啊！埋嚟睇埋先。哎呀！
Okay, so some gaps here, so it's quite a breather here now. You can see in front of you that is the ruins of St. Paul. It's less crowded already at this point of time. Is the main front part of the church. Now that's what's left and they're preserving it. It's under the UNESCO these days.
哦，其实再上一点才去拍咯。
Some of the photos here that I managed to take a photo of. Too many people, but I found one place where you can take a more clear picture of this. It's somewhere on the left side of the ruins here. Okay, so let's check out this museum area of the facade of St. Paul.
它的 structure 以前的，应该这以前是一个剩下的咯。
奇葩呢就幸福。
唔係，我然之後冇乜嘢跟。都有見啦。
好了，我懂，去看。我看一下这边。
走那个。
哦 ，Jesus Chapel 这边。哇，都没有声的。
你没晒了。
没有，不可以 flash， 不可以 flash photography。
宗教艺术的好。
呢啲係天主教嘅儀式，分啲香啊，跟住分啲香啊、聖餐啊，咁樣分出嚟咁樣。呢啲係天主教裏邊啲神父啦，嗰啲係天主教啲人呢個十字架，呢個十字架嘅。然後呢有邊個嚟？有邊個？呢個即係十字架。天主教成日掛喺度第十字架嗰度。
मदर मेरी है वो कल का अन्ना हो
呢個十字架嚟講最出名就係佢啦。
Ánh sáng.